Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find BEP20 address on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Binance application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you guys already do not have a profile on it. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. The first tab that we have here is the Markets tab. We have the Square, and we also have the Buy, Sell, Convert, and Deposit tab. We have the Discover and the Portfolio tab as the last one. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find BEP20 address on Binance. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be now showing you. So first of all, go to the Binance Smart Chain wallet. And when you're there guys, you need to go and tap on Receive to get your BEP20 address. So when you go and type on Receive, then you'll be able to go and do it. You can copy the address or share it, the QR code, and then make sure that you're using the BCZ network, BEP20, when sending the funds to this address. So if you do not do that as I told you, you won't have it then done. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be really cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.